I'm super satisfied. I think that I was able to carry and do what I do best, which is basically running my business. So you guys took care of your business, which was my insurance and my roofing job. So it was really went easy, peace of mind. I would definitely refer Bartlett Roofing.
We're here at Garden View Townhomes, a big commercial project. We just got done finishing up with the roofing and all the siding portions. We're here with Paul. He's the property owner, also a part-time resident here. And Mike Levitt, co-manager on the project, here with me. We just wanted to get a chance to get Paul's thoughts on the process and what he thought about us with Bartlett Roofing.
Well, I felt that when you guys came out, that you did a thorough job, first of all, of just inspecting the property for damages, and then in quizzing you, just the process, your experience, and I felt a sense of honesty and integrity, but mainly thorough, with persistence. And also you guys, as I recall, interfaced well with my insurance agent, who became part of the process. There were some disputes over a big matter of paying one deductible versus paying 16 deductibles on every building. Also then the scope of the work, I think they wanted to limit the work, and in the end I obtained new roofs, not partial fixes on some roofs. So with persistence, I think that the job, the project, the scope of the project was, I feel confident that my property is put back to the condition or better condition than what it was.
Awesome. That's our goal, is to secure a scope approval to get people back to pre-loss condition. And in this case, we were able to do that from a low six-figure to a very high six-figure cost on this, and got 13 new roofs. So out of that process, what are your thoughts on the construction? I mean, you own tons of different properties and you've been a real estate investor for a while. So what would you speak to our product and our construction process?
I think the construction process was good. I think the material, the quality was better than the material that was previously here. Also coordinating, just matching the colors, the siding and the roof, that came out really good. I think that the workers that were here on site were competent. The work went fast. And so that was good, because I think that otherwise it creates a disruption in the community, and that was minimal.
Awesome, glad to hear. Yeah, from the tenants we spoke to, they seemed like it barely was an inconvenience, and several were pretty happy with the process and results. So we're glad to have accomplished that.
Would you recommend us to some of your friends and family for any of their roofing needs in the future?
Definitely. You know, in fact, I have other experience with other companies. I think Bartlett excelled. I feel that the communication was good. I'm super satisfied. I think that I was able to carry and do what I do best, which is basically running my business. So you guys took care of your business, which was my insurance and my roofing job. So it was really went easy, peace of mind. I would definitely refer Bartlett Roofing. And personally, my relationship with the gentleman who came, whether it's Mike, Chris, or others, we're all really good. I feel really, really blessed.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Paul. It's been a blessing to help you here and work together. So hopefully we don't need to see you again for your roofs, because these should be lifetime, but at least we got a new friend with you here in the community.
Very good. Thanks. Appreciate
Paul.
you guys.
Appreciate you.